Protecting the security of your election is vital to Player, and because of that, there are many safeguards in place. When you reviewed the settings video, we mentioned things such as secret ballots, which hides confidential or private information, as well as the ability to prevent results from being seen until the ballot is actually closed. In addition to that, we have this seal where the ballot is locked and cannot be accessed. If you click on that, we'll actually allow you to unseal the ballot, but we do a warning. It's important to know that every view of the results is tracked within the history, so any kind of information like that will be available to you if need be. Once you unseal the ballot results, you can click into it, and here you will see any kind of relevant chart showing the question. In this case, we have question B and question C. There will be a full question in place here in your event, as well as the answers. Because only one vote is in here, you see that as 100%, but the pie chart will adjust based off of the data. You can see the results here. This is not a secret ballot, so it does contain relevant information. If this was secret, all of this would be hidden with the exception of the actual vote that was cast. If need be, for example, a resident might call in and say that they want to have their vote canceled and maybe resubmit. That can be done via the delete. Once again, to ensure security and privacy, this will be tracked, and we know exactly who deleted it and when. Player also provides several export options for your vote. You can copy the table directly and paste it into Excel or some other document. You can do a redacted export, which is an XLS document that hides all of the private information. Or you can include a redacted export that includes the percent of ownership for specific calculations or just for archival purposes. And then we have a detailed PDF export, which will email you a file that every vote that was submitted will be on a separate page of a PDF document. And this is for some states that have specific laws in regards to that. And that is the results area.